In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light bulb on a 2014 Ford Escape. Now this is going to work almost exactly the same for like 2013 to 2019, somewhere around there. I don't know the exact years, but they're all very similar. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. First step is there's going to be two plastic round clips right here. We're going to need to pop those out so we can remove that whole plastic sheet there. So right here, I've just got a small pry tool. A screwdriver would work, but you can just grab whatever and pry out these little plastic clips. So these things were a little bit tricky, the way that they're indented into the plastic. So we actually went and got a couple really skinny flathead screwdrivers, and that was able to get in between the cracks so we could pop them out. So just behind the two plastic clips, there's actually gonna be a couple of bolts. They're 8mm bolts in this car. They should be pretty similar in yours. So now we just gotta pull those bolts out. So it actually looks like this plastic panel is kind of directly connected to the whole lens assembly itself. So it looks like we can just wiggle it and pull the whole assembly off just like that. There's a couple of spots like this one and like this one that stick into the body of the car, and that's really what's holding in the assembly there. So this top one is the brake light bulb, so that's going to be the one that we're replacing. And basically what you need to do, you just need to twist that counterclockwise, and then it'll pull right out. Now from here, you can just grab the bulb and pull that out. All right, and so from here we can just snap the new bulb right back in. So from here we can just plop that back into the socket and once again twist, but this time we're twisting clockwise. And from here we're just gonna need to pop it back into its spot, which just requires you to line up a couple of those pegs like I said before, and pop it in just like that. So before you finish putting the assembly back together, you definitely want to test that the brake light actually works. So I'm going to do that right now. We good?
This one works, but the passenger one doesn't.
Oh. Make sure you test it before too, so you know which one you're supposed to be replacing. From here, we're going to put in those bolts again. Just a reminder that these are 8mm bolts in my car and they should be in yours, unless they've been changed out by somebody. So once you get those bolts back in after replacing the correct bulb, we're gonna put these plastic caps back on over. This is pretty simple, but they do have a specific orientation that they go. They have two little knobs on either side, and those need to be going horizontally, not vertically. And then they'll just pop right in. And now you're all set. You've got your new brake light bulb installed on a 2014 Ford Escape. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Definitely subscribe for more great tutorials like these. And if you have any other repairs that you want us to show you how to do, make sure to leave those down in the comments below. But that's gonna do it for this video. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.